Punjab Education Foundation, Mr. Raja Anwar, to come and present the role of public-private partnership in providing education in Punjab.
یہ پنجاب ایجوکیشن فاؤنڈیشن 1991 میں اس نے جنم لیا. 2004 میں یہ ری اسٹرکچرڈ ہوئی اور اس کی میں بتانا چاہوں گا جو صورتحال بنی اس کی کہ یہ بہت ہی جب نیا اس کا سسٹم چلا تو ایوریج کاسٹ جو پر اسٹوڈنٹ کی آ رہی ہے ہماری یہ 400 روپیہ ہے آج کے اس مہنگائی کے دور میں بھی, اور اس میں ہم ان کو فری بکس بھی دیتے ہیں. ہائی کوالٹی ایجوکیشن کا یہ ہے کہ ہم ان کے اوپر بہت اسٹرانگ قسم کا لیتے ہیں ٹیسٹ جس کو ہم QET کہتے ہیں, کوالٹی ایشورنس ٹیسٹ. اور یہ کوالٹی ایشورنس ٹیسٹ جو ہے میں میاں صاحب کے یہ ضرور انہیں عرض کرنا چاہوں گا کہ OMR جو کہتے تھے سسٹم جو ہمارے ہاں نئی بورڈز میں کامیاب ہو پایا تھا, اس پر میں نے اس سال 5 لاکھ بچوں کا امتحان لیا اور کامیابی سے لیا. آؤٹ سورس کیا جائے گا. آؤٹ سورسنگ ٹرانسپیرنسی کے لیے بھی بہت بہتر ہم نے ڈھونڈی, اس محکمے میں آ کے انٹروڈیوس کرائی, اور اس کے لیے بھی بہت زیادہ کہ ایفیشنسی کے لیے بھی. تو کوئی بھی ہمارا کام جتنے ہمارے کانٹیکٹس جتنے ہمارے آؤٹ سورسنگ کے ہوتے ہیں وہ سارے تھرو ایڈ کرتے ہیں ہم. کوئی بھی کام ایک آدمی کی امپلائمنٹ بھی ایک چیز کا آنا جانا بھی بغیر نہیں ہے ایڈ کے اخبار میں, تاکہ سارا پروسیس ٹرانسپیرنٹ رہے اور کوئی چیز ایسی نہ ہو سکے جس پر انگلی اٹھائی جائے. ایسیس جو ہماری ایکسیس ٹو انفارمیشن فار اسکولز اینڈ پارٹنرس, ہمارے دفاتر میں کوئی بھی اسکول اپنی پوری انفارمیشن لے سکتا ہے کہ میں کیوں فیل ہوا, میں کیوں پاس ہوا, مجھے کیوں فائن ہوا. اس پہ میں نے فائن کا رجیم انٹروڈیوس کرایا تھا جو اسکولوں میں نہیں ہوتا. ان اسکولوں پہ جو کام نہیں کرتے, کوئی کر جاتے ہیں ایسی گڑبڑ جس پر انہیں وارننگ پہلے دیتے ہیں اور اس کے بعد ان پر فائن کرتے ہیں. یہ بڑا اچھا طریقہ رہا کہ فائن سے میرا خیال ہے کہ سزا کی بجائے فائن بہت زیادہ اچھا حل ہے. جیب کو جرمانہ ہو جائے تو آدمی کو بڑی اچھی یاد رہتی ہے. یہ گر میں نے جرمنی میں سیکھا تھا, جہاں کہیں تیز گاڑی چلاتے ہوئے فائن ہوتے تھے, اس کے بعد سمجھ آ گئی کہ نہیں تیز چلانی ہے. یہ جو ہائبرڈ ہے پبلک پرائیویٹ پارٹنرشپ کا, یہ ہمارے ہاں تجربہ جو 1991 سے شروع ہوا اور اب تک کی گروتھ میں جا رہا ہے. اس میں لو کاسٹ ہے, ایک تو یہ بہت زیادہ سارے ہی اداروں سے لو کاسٹ ہے, تعلیم دینے والے اداروں سے. مثلا یہ پرائیویٹ سکول جو ہمارے دے رہے ہیں ان سے بھی بہت زیادہ لو کاسٹ ہے جو اپنی جگہ پہ دے رہے ہیں. اس میں کوالٹی ہائی کوالٹی ایجوکیشن بہت زیادہ, میں آگے آپ کو دوں گا فگرز اس کی. پیک کی جو ہماری 5ویں اور 8ویں کے امتحان ہے کہ کس طرح کتنی زیادہ ہماری اس میں پارٹیسپیشن ہے اور بہتر رزلٹ ہے ہمارے وہاں. اس میں ٹرانسپیرنسی اور میرٹ ہے. یہ سب یہ پر چائلڈ کاسٹ پر منتھ $5 سے کم ہے. یہ $5 میں شامل ہے سٹاف کی تنخواہیں, سٹاف کے TADA, ایگزامینیشنز اور جو دوسرے ٹریننگ پہ آنے والے اخراجات, ٹیچرز کی ٹریننگ پہ آنے والے اخراجات, تمام مکمل اخراجات کے بعد یہ صرف $5 فی بچہ ہمیں اس کا خرچہ پڑتا ہے پر منتھ کا. یہ بہت چیپ اس لحاظ سے اس کا سسٹم ہے. 4,90,735 بچے تھے جب آپ نے ٹیک اوور کیا, اور بچوں کی تعداد 1,34,019 کے قریب ہے اس وقت, جس میں ابھی ایڈ ہونا باقی ہیں ہمارے بچے جو ابھی جن کے ساتھ کنٹیکٹ ہو رہے ہیں. ٹوٹل 1.2 ملین پہ ہماری چلی گئی ہے اس وقت. I'm sorry. Thank you. So at the moment we have 1.2 million students in our schools. And if I have to tell you the EVS students, voucher scheme students, they were in 2007 only 44,234, but from 2008 to 2012 in these 4 years, they have reached 140,000 height. The figure of 140,000 students have been increased in this program. Like NSP. NSP is a program which we open up the schools in the areas where there is no school in 2 kilometers. So these schools were there was no any school when you took over, Mia Saab, but now there are 47,000 students in new school programs. If you go for the schools, how many schools we have added during these 4 years, that will be 1,085 schools were in 2007. Today, we added 2,125 schools during these 4 years. And so the total number of the school has reached 3,111. इसमें फैस्ट स्कूल जो हमारे परमानेंट स्कूल होते हैं, these permanent schools का ये फिगर है, और but the EVS schools, we had got only 67 schools from the previous government, but now the number is 565 schools in EVS. EVS is a program which is basically education voucher scheme. We go to these Kachi Abadis and poor areas, and we find the students, we survey that place, and then we find the students and bring them to the schools. They are basically dropped out students, or the students of the families, they do not think that they should send their children to schools, and maybe due to different reasons like financial reasons or other, but these schools now we have 565 schools, and same, there was no new school program school, but now you have 421 schools. In last 2 years, PEC position holders in class 5th and 8th, but I told that we have controlling their quality very much, and they are producing very, very good students only in 400 rupees per month. 25 districts. In 2 years, we had 25 positions, and then 29 positions second we had, and then third position were 21. In Punjab, this was our performance during the last 2 examinations of PEC, only in these 5th and 8th. Training, teachers training, we also take up teachers training, and when you took over, so then there was only a number of 714 teachers which were trained from 91 to 2007. But now the number is trained head teachers. Head teachers se murad tha, I mean that the people who are running these schools could be their managers, could be their head teachers, could be their owners. That is the training we have given them, 17,410. Thrice we have given them training how to run a school, how to maintain the record, how to do other jobs of school. Teachers trained, these teachers trained, we have 27,859 up to 2007, but today we have more than 100,000 school teachers trained during these 4 years. Yes, sir, this is the only educational institution in Pakistan, I would claim it, that during your tenure, this tenure, which has given a total ITized and computerized system to the department. Are all students, please click the, yes. Are all students like this? They are computerized, their photos, their family ID cards is also there. So when we go for examination, for tests, this is the sheet and there can be no impersonation. Before this program was introduced, we had always trouble that many impersonations cases are coming. One voice from one school, they were going to appear in our examinations, but that has been completely stopped, 100% stopped. Not only the students, the teachers, their records. Not only the teachers, but their managers and head teachers, full record is on the computerized. Not only this, but the fees are going to the schools online. They are also, and not only this, the daily presence of the students is also online, because all the schools we have computerized. So it is a full-fledged computerized and ITized institution, maybe the first in Pakistan, I would say. If there is any other institution that could not be the government institution, maybe some private educational institution like Biggs and Sons, they might have done so, but this institution has successfully RTI'd everything. Children redressal system in partner schools was completely eliminated. For the last 4 years, we have been continuously trying not to permit our school owners to, our teachers to punish any boy or girl. So there were a lot of cases when you sent me to this department, but now its position is very good. This last year we had no complaint at all about teachers beating up the girls or boys. It has different colors and nobody can misuse it. Only it can go waste when it goes to the wrong ends. But they cannot draw money from this because it has many other things that they cannot draw money. It must come to us and it will be caught. If it is copied, they cannot do anything. If it goes to the wrong ends, they cannot draw the money. This is a very foolproof thing. In fact, we have set up libraries and laboratories in all matric schools, our higher and secondary schools. There are only 3 with us. And the laboratories, we have not spent a single penny for these laboratories. We have only given a credit, 10 months credit, to all those schools which have good strength and they are taking 300,000 rupees per month from 300,000 rupees per month from us. We have given them 100,000, and in 10 or 12 or whatever installments we have taken it back. It is running very successfully. Without any spending a single penny, we have helped them, and we are doing this work very well. Of Punjab Education Foundation, there were only 18 districts. There was Punjab Education Foundation, and today the position is this. Today you have Punjab Education Foundation throughout Punjab. Not a single district, not a single tehsil. Everywhere we have gone. So this was a great job that our staff has done, and I must thank you, Mian Sahab, that you have put all your trust and helped me a lot, and so we could achieve this very, very big goal that we have made, not Punjab education of only 7 districts, South district, but Punjab education of entire Punjab. The coming next year, according to your roadmap, we will go for 500,000 vouchers and 2,000 students of 1,000 new schools where there is no school in 2 kilometers in the next 5 years. This program has been set. International development partners recognize the services of PEF and have continued their partnership. We also are very we also are very big pay our thanks to you, our donors. We have not wasted a single penny, and we are very happy that your money has made us go very fast on our track, and we appreciate your support to us. This was in Economist, the story was written on PEF, and I have been asked to be quick, but only a few words I have to say. Today, the PEF is considered as one of the best role model of public-private partnership. It has been appreciated not only in the international press, but in the international different forums. Has been appreciated that this model should be copied, should be followed in other countries, 65 other countries of third world. In London conferences, it was the resolution was put forwarded by Brazilian government about Punjab Education Foundation, and it was decided that this is the best model. So we are proud. We have to be proud about this. We have brought more children, and we have efficiency and transparency is this is my last word, that about I am standing in front of media, in front of my entire government and our august audience. The fact is known for is not only for efficiency, but its transparency, and that we do not at all have any case of corruption in our department. I again would declare here, if there is only single case of corruption on our part in our department, I will simply be sacked. Hanged I would not say, because Mian Sahib is sitting also on the Minar-e-Pakistan near it, that I would not like to be hanged there, but I should be sacked. Then, thank you.